This tutorial showing you pausing Windows Update online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Pausing the Windows Update online, I got you. Go to the bottom left hand screen on your Windows, laptop, Mac, or computer device. Click down in the search bar and type in Windows space Update. You have a couple different options. Check for updates, Windows Update settings. You choose. Once the window has been opened up and loaded, in this case I've already paused the updates, but if you don't have this and it says checking for updates, click the second option, pause updates for 7 days. Another tip or a bonus trick is scroll down and click advanced options below view update history, and click the drop down arrow under pause updates on the bottom hand screen. Scroll down and click the nearest or latest date, and now you have successfully paused the Windows Update from being installed on your device for up to 35 days, completely for free.